Look at that. How sweet is that? All right, let's pull it out. All right, guys, if you've got an in-ground pool, you know the love-hate relationship. Love the pool, hate the cleaning, right? Well, today we're checking out something that might just tip the scales firmly into the love side. This is the Polaris Freedom Plus cordless robotic pool cleaner. First off, it's cordless. No more tangled mess or worrying about the reach. This robot is designed for in-ground pools up to 50 feet, so it's got most of you covered. And get this, it comes with an outdoor charging caddy. How cool is that? So you can see whether it's charging or not. Know the status at any time. Really cool. Super convenient. Just pluck it out, dock it, and it's ready for the next round. But it's not just being cordless. This thing is a serious cleaner. Plus, for those of you who want to target a specific spot or just show off a bit, it even includes a remote control. And not only that, it might be a remote control that actually works, but you're going to have to watch the review for that. In the end, the question is the Polaris Freedom Plus the answer for finally getting your weekend back from pool cleaning? You've been watching it clean all through this. What do you say we go talk to Doug and see what the experience was actually like? It's getting a little late. What do you say we try to recall this thing? I'll tell you another thing that's so cool about this while we bring it back. So then you just hit the lift system button. Look at that. No freaking way. Okay, so the other thing that's so cool about this is normally I say it's a big mystery, like what we're gonna find in it. I love the clear top on it. You can see all the dirt and debris in there shuffling around. Look at that. How sweet is that? All right, let's pull it out. Again, nice and slow, so all the water can drain out. You're not lifting up some big heavy thing. So as I said, there's no mystery with this one. Look at how much dirt and debris is here. And again, I want to say, look at where we are. We are inside a cage here in Florida, and it still has managed to grab that much dirt and debris. Let me show you how to clean it out, and then we'll finish up this review. So you just grab the bin. Let's go clean it out. I'll give you a quick overview. You want to blow the stuff out that way. You don't want to push it further into the filters. You want to blow it out that way. Rinse it out, and then it's nice and clean and ready to go. All right, I'm a little backlit here today, but I just wanted to talk to you. I'm so excited because this is the first remote that I have had that just instantly worked and worked perfectly. I've had lots of other gadgety remotes. I've had other ones with the floating buoys, which sometimes you could get with the app, that kind of stuff. But this was the first one that I just picked it up, very first shot, pointed it at it, stopped it, rotated it to the direction I wanted to go, hit the lift system button, and boom, it came out. So that is an absolute huge plus. And then let's talk about the quality of the clean, because this thing has done amazingly well. As I showed you, this was absolutely chock full of like couple leaves. You don't get a ton of leaves here in the cage, but like a ton of sand, some grit, some buggy things. And I don't know how my dog, which doesn't go swimming in the pool, gets so much hair in the pool, but there was so much hair that it pulled out of the pool. A little weird, but I'll take it. I was really impressed by that. You've seen it scrub the walls. You've seen it scrub the waterline. I think it did an outstanding job on all of that. Battery life is really good. The app is very limited in its function. It gives you the run time and how much time it's spent on the walls, how much time it's spent at the waterline, on the floor, which is interesting to look at, but doesn't do mapping or anything like that. I don't think the map does anything for you other than you could say it looks cool and mapped out my pool. I don't think the map really does a thing for you. So I'm not really missing it, but I want to tell you that that's a fact. The cart that it comes on, which you also saw, such a big value add. I haven't seen a cart like that included in a package at this price point with this kind of functionality. This is the only model that I've personally seen that has that. I think it's a really nice value add depending upon who you are. For myself, I have no problem picking it up and carrying it, putting it in the pool, but I'm physically able to do that. There are lots of people who would struggle with that. If you're that person who might be on the edge of struggling, what a cool value add. I think overall, this thing has hit every point that I wanted it to do. There have been no clear failures. There's been nothing that didn't work. There was nothing that was hard to get set up. It all just worked the first shot. So I'm gonna give this a full-throated. If you're looking for a nice, full function, cool looking, beautiful looking robot with the clear top, which I just think is the coolest thing, this is definitely one that you would wanna go with with. I actually have included a link here on the screen. Worst case, it is in the description down below. That link doesn't cost you anything more, but at the same time helps the channel out a little bit, lets us get some more cool toys to bring to you to do this content for you. So I'm gonna say thank you in advance for using that link. You're already here, so I know you should be giving the video a like and subscribing to the channel so you can see more cool things that we experiment with. If you have any questions about the things we experiment with, throw it in the comments. I'll try to answer that for you. I hope this video has been helpful. We'll see you next time. All right, here we are in the past. You've already seen so much about this super cool robot. I don't know anything about it yet. I literally just unboxed it. These are all the parts that come with it. I wanted to give you a quick tour of it, just unboxing it, and then put that stuff together so you can see how that cool cart works. But let's talk about this first. Oh, there you go. Look at the cool clear top. Does nothing to make the cleaning any better with this, but I just really like that you can see what's going on inside it. On the bottom here, you can see we have tank treads, connectors for the wireless charging, the scrubbers for the walls, as well as the inlet where it's gonna suck all that dirt and debris up. And it's, how cool looking it is. I love this. It is a great design. The color scheme is great. All right, let's see how this cool cart goes together. Just wanted to show you. I think this is the biggest remote I have ever seen, but I think we can use this to recall the robot while it's in the water. Oh, look at that. That's how it works. It sends its light signals into the water, which is received here on this, and then it comes back to us when we want. I have to say, this is really a neat and tidy setup. No tools required. See what it looks like on it. How about that? That's pretty ridiculously cool. All right, I'm gonna take it, plug it in, charge it up, we'll put it in the pool, run it for a couple weeks and come back. Although you already saw that part, so I hope it was helpful to you. Just as a reminder, there's a link down there below if you want to use that, helps out the channel. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.